important component about Zigurat is, honestly, when I received the package of information, I was overwhelmed with the depth of their programs, the depth of their courses, the amount of courses, the fact that they're in more than one language, and the faculty role. That when you scroll through the names of the faculty and you scroll through their bios, it is an extremely rich and deep base of knowledge. I just find, as I said, I was overwhelmed. I thought it was so well put together that it was a no-brainer for CanBIM. It's like, this is an organization that CanBIM has to be involved with, has to partner with, for their benefit, because I think exposure to Canada through CanBIM in North America is an opportunity, but even more so for CanBIM to be associated with Zigurat, as I said, just validates and justifies everything we're doing. It really pushes both organizations up a significant level.